Hello everyone and welcome back to Blender Car Modeling, and today we are making the Toyota Supra Mark 4. So this is gonna be the part 1 for making the bumper. Let's get to it, guys. Let's directly get started. So first of all, I need you to go to Edit, Preferences. Then I need you to go right here to Editing, and then we're gonna change that to View. And after that, just cross that right here. For example, just press Shift A to add something. And if I'm pasting a plane, it's going to be aligned to the view I am in right now. I'm just going to go and start off the bumper now. Just go here, select these points. You can just drag your cursor right over there like I did. Press Shift and D, this duplicates it. Right click to keep it in place. Press P to just separate the selection. We have another selection right here, so we're just going to be tabbing back out, selecting this and tabbing back in, and just press A right here and E and Z. So I extrude this on the Z axis right here till it meets. We're going to be adding a few edge loops to get the curvature right. So just press Ctrl and R, and I'm just going to be adding 5 edge loop right here. Add it in and right click to keep it in the center. So I'm going to select all of these. Just move them on the y-axis, they're aligned. Right there with the gizmo, you can move that around pretty easily. Just keep doing that, and your hood portion is gonna be aligned well. Aligned portion right here. To just get a reference for the curvature of the hood, I'm just gonna be getting a new reference image right here. You can find the updated reference images in the same Google Drive file, and I'll just make sure to put it in the description too. Just go here to image editor, just go ahead and open, go to reference, and you can just open any one of these. I'm just going to be opening the bumper reference. So just tab back out, click on this and shade smooth. Right there, press 1. And now what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be making this entire thing in one go. Go ahead, click on this vertex, press E and extrude it right to this edge here. I'm just going to be moving that to the edge here, right there. 3, and move this on the y-axis to right there where our wheel well is, right here. Yeah, that is going to be our wheel well. So I'm just going to go in and add the wheel well for this part as well. Just shift A to add. That is going to open your menu right here, and go ahead and add a circle. Press G and move this right here, and just scale it down. Just go ahead and align that well, and make sure that the wheel well on the blueprints is intersecting on our normal circle that we put. Select the circle again, press E and S, and we're just going to be scaling it down right here. I'm going to be selecting this again and scaling it up a bit, a tad bit. And let's just delete all the extra vertices right here by pressing X and delete the vertices. Right here. And we're just going to be merging this by selecting both the points, pressing M, and merge them just at the center right there. We're just going to be disabling the clipping option right here because it's not going to allow me to move this. So just press G and X and move this right here, and I'm going to be selecting this vertex right here, going back to the front view and just getting this aligned with the wheel well. I'm just going to be rotating this entire wheel well too. Select the entire wheel well, select this point, shift that back to active element, go back to our front view, just press rotate, and just get that wheel well nicely aligned. What I'm going to do is also press G and extend that right there. Just extend that a bit down. Now we're going to go to top view. We're going to get this entire thing aligned. Just go ahead, Ctrl R. I'm going to be adding around 7 cuts on this one. Just go ahead, add the 7 cuts, and just one by one just get that aligned too. Now what we're going to be doing is just spacing these out a little better. Just select that point, hold down control, select this point, just open your toolbar, go to press N by opening the toolbar, and just go on and click on space. So this is going to space the entire thing out evenly. Press N to close the toolbar again, and just go ahead, select all of these middle vertices right here, right, all of these. Go to our front view, press E and Z, and just extrude them right here. Yeah, just extrude these right about there, and we're gonna be taking them and aligning them on the line below right here. And after you're done aligning these in all the views, we're going to be using the same option that we used before. Just press N, open the toolbar, and just go ahead and press space right there. As you can see, shade that smooth. And let's just connect this to the wheel well now. Just go ahead and hide this first. Let's add a cut right here and move this right about there. We're gonna be needing this section to curve around here, so adding 2 more right here. That's perfect. And let's just face this one up very nicely, and just click on these and just press F to face that up. And I'll be adding a few more vertices right around here to give it a better curvature. So just go ahead, add 2 more loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R. We're gonna be dragging this one down right about there. So after done with dragging this down, we're gonna be needing a bit more of a curvature right about here. So just select this edge loop and move this on the y-axis right about there. Select this one too, move it on the y-axis. Go to your top view so that it's easier to judge where your lines are going. And about there. And we're also going to be moving this entire part for the smooth curvature that we want. So just go back to our top view and just push it right about there. Just press A and shift N. That is going to recalculate the entire thing. And press Alt H, shift N again. And that is gonna make your entire bumper texture a little bit smoother right around there. And I feel like this one needs to come out a little bit more, so just go ahead, drag that one out, drag this one out, and all of these vertices as well. Aligning these vertices is very essential, as this is gonna ensure a smoother flow going around right here and connecting. And this is gonna be going back to our front view right here, and what we're going to be doing is just pressing G and sliding this up here right here, and press E and just make your shape right here. And now I'm going to be enabling the clipping option right here, and just press E and X and just join it right in the center. Then press Ctrl R, 2 edge loops, and align these edge loops to the one above right here. And we need one more vertex right there to be aligned. Perfect. There. Just go ahead, and we're just going to be erasing this edge right here. So this has to be aligned with the top one right here, as you can see. So this curves up a bit and then it goes down and around the car. Here, select this one, press Ctrl I, that's going to invert your selection. Just press hide, and by pressing Alt H it will come back, and H it will hide. Just go ahead and get this one. That's all. Go back to our front view, maybe see the curvature right about here. So that is how it's going. So I'm just going to be making sure that the entire thing is similarly curved. Pressing Alt H is going to bring all of those back. I'm just going to be adding one more edge loop, just one more point right here. Just hide this, press Ctrl R right here, add it in, keep that there, press Alt H, and just join this part too. Go back right here, just make sure it's a smooth flowing edge. We're doing good with this. Just go ahead, go back to our front view, and we're gonna be extending this down below. So just press E and Z, just take that down right there. We're gonna be matching these up now. So just go ahead and connect this with an F. That is gonna be connecting your face right there. Just Control R, that is gonna get your vertex. And just make sure that vertex right here is gonna be aligned. Okay, just keep that in the center actually, because the bumper is gonna be flowing down. We're gonna be joining this right here. So let's get to that. Just go ahead, add in another one, and just select the 4 of these points. Press F, select both of these, press F, and we have our nice shape here. I'm just gonna be adjusting these a little bit. Get both of these to merge right at the center, and just drag this out right about here. We might have 2 triangles here, so let's just go ahead and hide this first and add an edge loop right about here, so that our triangles have a better flowing smooth position. Just press J, this joins that, and I'm just gonna slide this down a little bit further. We're gonna be adding 6 edge loops, more like 7. I'm just gonna add one more right here, so that it's better, smoother flowing. Take this out a bit more for a better curvature, and press 3. This one needs to be out, so just go ahead, take that one out. We're going to be selecting this entire loop right here, and we're going to be pushing it outwards right on the blueprints. Just get those right on the blueprints right there, and we have a nice edge flowing through this one also. About there. So just Control R, and we're going to be adding 6 edge loops right about there. Just go ahead, add those, and we're going to be adding a bit of a curvature on all of those. I'm just going to bevel these by pressing Control and B, and that is just going to split all of these. Go ahead and space these out like we've done before. Space these out too, like that. And we're going to be connecting this entire thing together. So just make sure all of these are perfectly flowing, right, all of these, and just take those further out. So we're going to be taking these out on the y-axis, then we're going to be unselecting this and right there, then we're going to be taking it a little more ahead again, then unselecting this and this, and taking these out too again by pressing G and Y right there. So we have that nice and smooth flowing curvature going. Just go ahead and face these up now. Select all of these 4, press F, then get these 2, F, 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 add down to the bottom. Select this edge loop and maybe slide that further ahead, like this down, this one too. So we have a nice smooth flowing surface of the bumper right there, as you can see. And let's attach this one also. So let's just press Ctrl R, add a vertex here, and just make sure it's smooth flowing and there. So just make a face there, and we're gonna be needing 6 cuts here too. So just press and add in, press Ctrl R and add in 6 cuts right there. Just press G and Y on the 6 cuts. Press G and Y. Slide those out. We're gonna be needing them to match here. I'm just gonna keep angle the view in this. Just press Alt Z and just press Shift to unselect this one and that one, and just press G and Y again. Slide this a little further out. Shift and Shift to unselect. Slide this one out. So that is gonna enable our nice 6 smooth vertices right about there. And there, and let's just paste these up too. Just select both of these, F till the very end. Just select all of those 4 and just press F and select both of these. Press F. Paste these up. Select 4 of these. Press Alt Z for X-ray view. Paste that and just paste that up again. So instead of this one joining right here, so we're just gonna be making a better topography there. So I'm just gonna be pressing Ctrl X right here and adding another loop right here. Pressing Ctrl R and just joining these. So let's get this edge loop in line again. In a nice smooth flowing texture on this entire bumper right here. Just go in ahead, go to our front view. We need these vertices. Go ahead, select both of these, press X and delete the edge. I'm going to be deleting this one too, and there we have a nice triangular flowing surface. I'm going to tab out, see how this is flowing. This is flowing pretty well around the bumper. So I'm just gonna let that be. Press Shift Z again to get the solid view back, and we're going to be extruding this entire thing further back. So just select that vertex, select this one, go to our front view, just angle the view this way, press E and Y and just let it slide further back. Alright, after we're done sliding this, go back to our front view. We're going to be pressing S and we're just going to be scaling it right about there. As you can see, we're going to be scaling this on the active point because it's going to come down. This entire thing is going to come down right here. Just go back here. That is perfectly extruded. And we're going to be adding a few edge loops so that it's better. It's just got a better edge right here. Just go on ahead, add an edge loop right about here. We're going to be adding 2 edge loops. So just add another one right here between both of these. Just keep that centered. We have a nice edge here. And we're going to be needing an edge loop at the back right there. I'm going to add another edge loop about here. Right there. So this is going to give you a nice surface too. Just press A and Shift N. That is going to recalculate all your normals and going to give you a better look overall. And there. And as you can notice, we have a crease right about here. So the curvatures are matching up differently. For that, I'm just going to be sliding this one further back. Just go to our top view and just keep sliding them back till they have a nice curvature going around. Right there, right about there. These ones too, they need to be curved well. As you can see, the curvature gets a little weird right here. I'm just going to select this one, go to top view and get this out too. Just keep doing that till a nice smooth curvature is established right around here. So that was part 1 for the bumper, and we're going to be completing the bumper in the next video. Be sure to go and have a look at it. And I hope you're enjoying this series. So all the best and happy creating.